As a builder, you know what tools to use and when to use them. But lately, it seems like there's a new AI-powered tool every single day. So my agency is here to help you use the best AI tools to improve your business. Hi, I'm Matty Reed, founder of Fractal AI. I have a decade of experience in the construction industry, automating business operations as an engineer and a COO. Now I'm partnering with businesses like yours to help you save time, lower expenses, and build better operations. Fractal AI offers two kinds of services. We can host trainings and workshops to help your team get up to speed on the latest AI and automation tools. Or we can build custom automations and AI integrations directly within your existing workflows, so the solution works best for you and your team from day one. Here are some of the solutions that we can build. Data integrations and dashboarding, automated project kickoff and closeout, note-taking and doc control agents, inventory and material management, timesheet and payroll automations, permit and certification reminders, safety and incident reporting automations, invoice follow-ups and purchase order approvals, automated HR onboarding and offboarding, and much more. If any of this sounds valuable to you, or if you have another workflow that you want help with, here's what we can do next. First, go ahead and click the button to book a meeting. On our call, we talk about your business operations and target a specific workflow that can be improved. On our second call, I present the design of the solution and kick off the project. Then I begin building the solution and update you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. After about 3 weeks, when the project is complete, we'll meet once more. I walk you through how to use the solution and address all of your questions. And that's it. You can focus less on the busy work and more on the important things, whether that's investing more energy into your business or spending more quality time with your family. If you notice any issues after delivery, I will resolve them for free. And if you're still not completely satisfied with the result, I'll send you your money back, guaranteed. If you are satisfied with the result, we can continue a partnership for a monthly fee. Then I will build more solutions, train your team, and continue upgrading your operations as new tools become available. Thanks for your time, and I'm looking forward to building with you.